Hi, my name is Jolie Hurtado. I has 57 years old. In this moment, I stay in my house because I stay pensionada. In my family are five persons exactly. My first son is a man. His name is Esteban. He has 32 years old. He is married. He is a business administrator from the Universidad del Valle. My second baby is a daughter. Her name is Marcela. She is 30 years old. She is a lawyer. She is married. She likes to dance and to sing. And the last is a boy. His name is Alejandro. He has 23 years old. He likes read, to dance, and to play piano and guitar. And he studied foreign languages in the Universidad del Valle. And he is a teacher in the Learning Institute and School Comeva. I no more with respect to me. I has 57 years old. I like to dance. I love to sing in my musical group, and no more. I have uh, a lot of expectative with respect to this course. Thank you, teacher. Good night.